This is Otaze. I am here to manure the Otaze leaf. It is very special in our local delicacies. Use it for pepper soup, fresh fish, and the rest of them. Now, some persons use it for green tea. They dry it and then preserve it for green tea. So they are the ones we are focusing on. That is why we grew it so big, so that we will be able to supply it without breaking the chain. So Otaze can be propagated through the stem because it's a climber and it's usually very big. But we don't intend to let this one to be that big because we'll be cutting from time to time in order to maintain our supply chain. So we are still going to stake after manuring. We will put stake for the leaf to climb while we cut them religiously. Welcome to this farm section. What we have here is cucumber. This is exactly 4 days after planting. In cucumber plants, we plant in situ. We don't make nurseries and transplant. No, we plant directly in the field. And we are sure of the seeds we are using because we are sure they will grow. You can look at that is 98% germination rate. So if you plant 100 seeds, you expect 98 of them to germinate. You can see high percentage of germination rate. That is why the seeds are expensive, and that is why we have to nurture the plant very well. Now that we have planted, you can see the spacing. The next thing we are to do here is to put staking. We call it staking the plant because cucumber is a climber. So we are going to insert stick. To make it simple for us, you will join us in the whole process, but we are going to put one, make a distance, put another one, make a distance, put another one, connect it with rope so that it will be easier for us to stake all of them because it's plenty. Now the leaves are sugary, so we expect pests to start attacking them from the first week of establishment. So what we are going to do is to apply organic foliar fertilizer and organic insect repellent, insecticide. So what we normally use is neem leaf. We soak it after 4 to 7 days. We extract the water, put it in knapsack, and we start spraying. We spray them every week to repel the insect. We will not allow the insect to attack the leaf because once this insect starts puncturing the leaves of this plant, it directly affects the fruit that you will get from the plant. It will start affecting the fruit. It will affect your yield because the surface area of the leaf is directly proportional to the fruit that it will produce. So you have to chase this away from the leaf. And if you did not take care of the pest in the plant during the leaf stage of the plant, during the fruiting period, those insects and pests will easily transfer from the leaf to the fruit. And once the fruit is damaged or injured, either mechanical or pest burrowing or whatever it is, it directly affects the market value of the fruit. So that is why we are careful. That is why we take care of it every week. You have to visit the plant at least 3 times in a week because you have to check the ones that did not grow. You have to check the ones that are climbing the stake. You have to apply the nutrients and the insect repellent, and you have to do that religiously until you harvest. So the harvesting of these fruits is expected to be 6 weeks away from now. So in 6 weeks, we must have started harvesting our cucumber. Thank you.